Hi, my name is Victor and I'm going to show you how to get started with Windows Movie Maker. To open it, simply click the Start button at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Go to All Programs and scroll down until you see Windows Movie Maker. Click this once to open it. Great. Now that we have Movie Maker open, I'll show you some of the things that you can do with it and how to make a movie in general. We'll get started by adding a title to our movie. To do this, click the Titles and Credits link under the Edit area on the left-hand side of your screen. Once this is open, select Title at the beginning. Now you'll be presented with a text box. Type the title of your movie in. When this is done, you can edit the animation of the title and the font and color to your liking. Once you've done this, click Add Title. Your title will now show up in the movie. To view it, press the play button. To change or edit it again, double-click the thumbnail or the picture of your title in the video screen down here. Now you're probably going to want to save your movie at this point. To do this, click File in the top left corner and then select Save Project As. Pick a title for your movie and then click the Save button. Saving your movie will keep it intact in case your computer breaks, crashes, or you lose the file, and it lets you come back to it later so that you can edit it again. Now we'll go ahead and add a picture to your movie. To do this, click the Pictures link in the top left area under the Import section. Once this is open, browse to wherever you have a picture saved and double-click it to open it. If you'd like to open multiple files at once, you can highlight them with the mouse. Once you've picked what you would like, double-click it and open it. It will now show up in the white area in the middle of your screen. This means that the file is open and ready to use. To add it to your movie, simply click and drag the thumbnail down to the video section on your timeline. As you can see, it will now show up and will be in the movie. To view it, press. Now that the picture is in the movie, you can move it around some more if you'd like. To do this, click and drag it to a different spot. To change the length of the picture, move your mouse to the very right-hand border of the picture thumbnail until you see a red arrow pop up. Then click and drag. You can see the length of the picture changes. I can make it very short or very long. To have a picture fade in from the previous video, just click and drag it a little bit until you see the blue overlaps the previous video. Now you can press play and view the picture. To delete it, click the picture's thumbnail once, then press the delete button. You can see it goes away now. If you'd like, you can also add videos to your movie. To do this, just follow the same process as adding a picture, but instead of clicking the Pictures link, select Videos. I'll go ahead and do one for you. I open one, and then I pick the movie that I'd like. I drag it down to the video screen, and you can see it shows up here. Again, I can change the length, move it around, or delete it. That's just how to add videos. When your computer has a microphone that supports it, you can add your voice over top of your movie. To do this, click the drop-down menu titled Timeline on the bottom left area. Then click Narrate Timeline. A window should pop up that has the start and stop narration buttons as well as a meter that shows the input levels on your computer. As long as the bar on the meter is moving up and down, you know that the microphone is recording. If the bar is moving but it's very low, you might want to move the slider up some so that the recording is louder. If the bar is moving but it's very, very high, you might want to move that slider down a little bit so that the recording isn't too loud. When you're ready to start recording, click the Start Narration button. Your movie will play and you can speak over it. Afterwards, you will be prompted to save the recording. do so. After this, you'll see that the recording pops up in the audio and music area down in the video preview section. Like I said, at this point your voice should be now with the movie. If you press play and you have the sound on, you can hear your voice over the movie. Now, if you don't want to record your voice but you still want to have music on it, you can always just add sound or music. To do this, click the audio or music link under the import section. This is exactly the same as adding videos and pictures, it's with an audio file. So if you have an MP3 or something you'd like to add, like a song, just click that and open it. That'll show up in the white area, and then you can drag it to the audio and music section. I'll do that just to show you. Click audio and music, and then after that, go to where you have it saved. I have mine right here. Open it up, and here it is. I drag it to the audio and music section, and then it'll show up in my movie. To get rid of it, hit the delete button. To cut it short or change the length, same as a picture or video. Just wait for the red arrow. Now that we've covered some of the basics, I'm going to show you how to do some of the more detailed things. For instance, if you'd like a title to show over top of a video. To do this, click the Titles and Credits button again. But instead of selecting title at the beginning, select title on the selected clip. Enter your title, and then click change the title animation or change the text and font and color to, customize it a little bit. After this, pick add title. You can see instead of showing in the video area, that title will show in the title overlay section, so that when you play it, the title will show over top of the video. There's many different animations you can choose to make this look very nice. Another thing you can do is to add effects and transitions between videos and pictures. I'm going to go ahead and add a picture so that you can see what I'm talking about. I have this picture right here. I drag it into my video section. If I'd like to add a transition between the two of them, or an animation that connects one to the other, it'll be easier to select that timeline drop-down menu and change it to storyboard. When it's in storyboard mode, you have the transition block right here, so it's easier to add things. Click that transition box and then go to transitions. You can see there's a number of different things to choose from. For instance, you can do a page scroll. I choose that, and when I press play, you can see it becomes animated. Another thing you can do is add effects to your videos. I'm going to set it back to timeline so it's easier to see, and I'm going to choose a video or a picture. I'll do that picture. If you choose effects, you're again given a number of different things. For instance, you can do a color change. Once you add that, if you press play, the change is added. Those are just a few of the things you can do. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments to your movie and you have it set to your liking with everything all finished, you can go ahead and publish the movie so that it shows up as one clean video file. To do this, click the File in top left and then select Publish Movie. Before you do this, you might want to make sure that you save your project one last time in case any problems occur. Once you click Publish Movie, you'll be given a window. Select this computer and then name it. Select where you want to publish it to and then click Next. You should probably choose the best quality for playback on my computer setting. Once you have all this sorted out, click Publish. It should take a few minutes, but once you've published your movie, it'll be one video file that you can play or view at any time.